problem with pleading. When you hear people saying, and these are some of the people you see, the Moors and other people who are called sovereign citizens, we're going to get into that term later. But when you see some of these people talking about jurisdiction, what they're actually talking about is the same thing we're talking about with a trust. That's part of it. Now, when they're talking about jurisdiction, they're saying, and this is the law, this is the constitutional law. Did I harm another physical living human being? If I didn't hurt another living physical human being, then this court has no authority or jurisdiction over me. That's what they're talking about when they say jurisdiction. That is a constitutional right. Here's the problem with what they're saying and how they're saying it. First of all, they're trying to fight. Second of all, a lot of times these people didn't put on record what we suggest you put on record. So if you're going into a court, once again, and you have not sent in your notice, then you're in dishonor. When you go in there, you've already agreed and consented to be judged, just like they consent to be judged if they fail to respond to what you request. This is just the law that all of them have to follow, and then they want to pretend like, oh, well, no, we don't have to follow. But then they'll tell you, oh, yeah, we're under color of law. Well, what does color of law means? I hope y'all taking notes. It means fake law. It means it's not real. Color, which is why I talk to you all so much about what you're calling yourself. Color means fake, fictitious. It's not real. So he's telling you to go in and plead. Once you plead, I don't care if it's guilty, not guilty, nolo, what you have done is said, I consent to be judged by this court.